Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Crazy Cars here, back with another video. Today's day 10 of Crazy Carsmas, which means 2 more days to go until Christmas Eve. And today we're going to be doing an updated room tour as day 10. So hopefully you guys are excited. As you can see here, walking into the room, we have the classic original from probably 5 years ago when I started my channel. The do not enter sign, recording in progress. They're on that side, and this one, I'm not recording, you may enter. So we have that there. Since I am recording, I am going to turn it over now. And now let's go and welcome to the room. So we're going to come here and we're going to turn on the light. Close the door behind us here, as you can see. On the back of the door, we got the Planes Fire and Rescue poster with some of the main characters. We have Cabby, Blade, Miss Dipper. We have Avalanche, Dusty, of course, right in the middle. We have Dynamite, Pinecone, Windlifter, and Blackout. Beneath it, we have the 2 Radiator Springs Precision Series sets posters, which are pretty cool. We're actually going to update the snowman calendar while we are here. Today is the 22nd. So there we go. And then here on the wall, we have 2006 poster there from when the movie first came out with some of the characters. You got McQueen, Mater, Sally, Sarge, Fillmore, Doc, Ramon, the King, and Luigi and Guido. Turning the camera over here, this is what the room looks like. I don't know if you guys remember, but it is very different. Recently, actually, so I just set up the town for Crazy Carsmas, obviously, and that is here to stay now. For the past 2 years, I had the Crazy Cars Canada 1000 subscriber special showdown track up, the Crazy Canyon Raceway, and that tournament was actually going to be called the Summer Showdown. And then I hit 1,000 subscribers while in the middle of filming that tournament, so I was like, you know what, I might as well might as well turn it into the 1,000 subscriber special tournament. So that is what I did. Anyways, here you have the town, obviously all decked out for Crazy Carsmas, as you guys have seen in all the videos so far. Over here, we have my Lightning McQueen little toy chest here, filled with Hot Wheels and monster trucks and whatever. And you can see I just have like the Crazy Cars podcast background there. Some original Crazy Carsmas accessories there, as you can see. A filming tripod, some scissors, some tape, flashlights, some other lights, which is pretty cool. And here we have a closet with just some props, I guess you can say. So like we have the Mater the Greater set. We have like the Los Angeles Speedway motorized set. My old Radiator Springs in there. And yeah, it is just filled. I have some big lights in there to film with. So yeah, gonna keep that closed so nothing overflows, as you can see. Turning the camera over this way, we have a toy chest, and on top, it is a little bit messy just on top right now. These are where some of the Christmas trees go. As you can see, they go in these packages right there, and the cotton, which is used for snow. Behind it, I actually have the cardboard background. So like here you have the sky that was on the back of the Crazy Canyon Raceway. Garbage can here, as you can see, these are the garbages from the past reviews. I have a turntable here underneath the toy chest. I'm actually going to remove this stuff to show you what's inside. Just going like this, and like that. Open it up. And we got just all the props that I could possibly use for videos there. So as you can see, we have the RSN building there, the abandoned buildings I made. Just some props, you know, some extra storage, which I do like. And I mean, it just keeps it all out the way. And not really any dust collecting onto it, which is pretty nice. Just going to put these bags back for the props. So you can see. Nice, nice, nice. This goes up there, and there we go. As you can see, the bed is kind of moved. It is now going horizontally across the room, which I had to move by myself in that bed with a fully steel frame. It took forever to move. I was actually going to make a video on how it's a full time lapse of me cleaning up the room from having the tournament set up to creating all of this stuff into here, and like obviously moving that storage container over there from this corner. It was like sideways and you couldn't even access it, to now it being like that. And I think I made the most out of my room. But unfortunately, some of the GoPro footage from the time-lapse did not download. It actually got corrupted. So that full video where I do talk about and show the time-lapse of me cleaning up the room from obviously the tournament track to now what you see right here, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. I could see if I could put some clips on screen. If not, it's probably unlikely, so don't get your hopes up. But if I can find some, then you could see me moving the bed and just cleaning some things up. And yeah, so the bed you can just access again. I have the Wheelwell Motel sitting on top of it, and then I have the Rust Bucket Stadium over here, and then I have the Boxwell Speedway over there as well that you see in other videos. Ooh, this notebook, you are not allowed to see into there. Those are all Crazy Cars' secrets in there. I have all video ideas and dimensions for how to make buildings and whatnot, all in that little notebook. So you are not allowed to open that. That is a company secret. Here we have this big dog sitting on the bed with the Lightning McQueen pillow, obviously. So he's just there looking over the room at night, making sure nothing goes wrong. Over here we have the custom Daytona diorama, which I did make a review on the other day, earlier in the week, and that video flopped, so go look at it if you did not look at it so far, because I spent forever on this diorama, and having it only at like 66 views after like 5 days kind of hurts, but it's alright. In here I had all different card art packagings in there, and I really wanted to get cars off of the floor. That was my main goal with cleaning this up. So now if I open 1 and 2 like that, we now have this, and there are cars from top to bottom for 4 continuous shelves before we get down to just showing some of the card art throughout the years of some McQueen die casts. Just some more props in there, keeping things off the floor. So the top one here, we have all Lightning McQueen die casts. There's just one gap missing because that is Holiday Hot Shot McQueen, which is just sitting in the town right now, right there. We have Cars 1 and Cars 3 Piston Cup Veterans there on the second shelf. Third shelf, we have Next Gen Racers. I tried to make them color-coded, so that's what I tried to do. So yeah, Piston Cup Next Gens over here, and then just like race officials and just kind of people working out at the racetrack. Here we have the Radiator Springs gang on the final shelf, and then at the bottom, just some props as well. Closing this up, but yeah, this was actually filled with card art and card backs, just filled to the brim. So I'm glad I got those out the way and just kept the important ones. Now, I actually did make this shelf in my construction class last year, so I did put some cars on there, which is very nice. Got them off the floor, like I said, that's my biggest goal. So at the top, we have some deluxes that wouldn't look too great just sitting in these, which I'll get to in a bit. We have World Grand Prix racers there with some of their launchers and their variants sitting on that first shelf. We have Thomasville racers and some customs that I'll get into later on Crazy Carsmas. And then Thunder Hollow racers on the third shelf, which is very nice. And then over here we have these 3 little cars holders, which I think are pretty cool. Keeps them a little bit more organized and easier to find, that's for sure. So over here you can see we just start off with some background characters. We have like, obviously tried to go color coding, obviously, but I went like Piston Cup fans, and then just like Radiator Springs residents. There you can see the Tuners gang. We have like Komodo and Kabuto in their group there. And then just some other bigger cars that wouldn't really fit beside these other ones. On the second one, we have Piston Cup sponsors there, and just Cars on the Road diecast, Cars 2 characters. And then we have all Piston Cup teams and just World Grand Prix teams here on the last one. And then the haulers beside it, just over there, as you can see. And then we have this guy who sings, actually, Mr. Reindeer. What is that? You want to put on a little show for everybody? Where's your button? Yeah. Yeah, so he still works. He's been around since the original Crazy Carsmas. So he's been here for quite a while. And then we have the Charlie Brown little Christmas tree there, just to add a little bit more spice to the room. And yeah, honestly, everybody, It took me a while to move this bed and that, and I'll see if I can put some clips on screen throughout the video. If I can't, I'm sorry, just the video gets corrupt and it just takes forever to download and it just does not work. But everybody, I do just want to say thank you for watching this video. And yeah, let me know what you think of the room and what I can do a little bit better with it. I'm very open to suggestions and what you think I can do. And obviously I want to put something on this wall over here. It's just very bland and boring. So I'll see what I can do. But everybody, thank you all so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. And yeah, I hope to see you guys all back here tomorrow for day 11 of Crazy Carsmas. Have a great day, everybody, and peace.